Thai restaurant. I'm Maria Alona. I will be happy to serve you. Are we holding a reservation for you? No. This way, ma'am. May I know your name, ma'am?
Rizal.
For how many persons?
1 person.
Which one do you prepare, ma'am? A non-smoking area or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area.
May I read your details, ma'am?
Yes.
Your name is Miss Yuson. Do you prepare a non-smoking area for 1 person? This way, ma'am. Will this table be alright with you, ma'am?
Yes.
Allow me to help you, ma'am.
Yes.
Have a seat, ma'am. May I unfold your table napkin, ma'am?
Yes.
May I serve your cold water?
Yes, please.
I'll be back for your complimentary light. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your red rose and butter. Excuse me, ma'am. Here is our menu and wine list. I will return shortly to take your order. May I take your order?
Yes.
Do you have any allergies or food restrictions?
For my main course, appetizer is spring rolls, soup, cream of mushroom soup with savory egg yolk, salad, Italian salad, cheese main course, Italian steak, wine, Arlo Rose red wine, then dessert, chocolate cream cake with red cherry, then coffee, freshly brewed black cocoa.
Let me repeat your order, ma'am. Your order is then spring rolls, mushroom soup, Italian salad, beef steak, well done, Arlo Rose with red wine, chocolate cream cake, and black coffee. Is everything correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in 15 minutes. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with your bread rolls and butter? Can I take this now? I'll be back for your spoon. Here is your spring rolls for appetizer. Enjoy your meal. Here is your mushroom soup, ma'am. Enjoy. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with this? Can I take this, ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your order. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done with this? Can I take this, ma'am? Here is your wine, ma'am. May I serve you your wine? Excuse me, ma'am. Here is your wine and steak. Enjoy your meal. Are you done with this, ma'am? Can I take this? Here is your chocolate. Are you done with this now? Can I take this now? Yes. Come on. Here is your black coffee now. Are you done with this now? Can I take this now? Can I present your bill now? Yes. Thank you for dining with us, ma'am. Thank you for Miss Yusa for dining with us. We hope to see you again soon. This way, ma'am.